welcome back to Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal. Coming at you today with a sweet treat. We have got a cheesecake Jello dessert. Yum! And guess what? It's low in fat too. 95 calories, 6 grams of fat, and only 4 carbs. And this is 2 Jellos. So quite a bit of food here. Nice treat, and it's low in fat, so this one you can have more often. I'm excited to share this one with you guys. I am trying to figure out lower fat treats as well. Now, it's not always gonna be easy to do that because they are treats, and of course a treat shouldn't be eaten often, but I'm trying to figure out ideas for you guys that you can eat these more often too. Definitely this one you can. At only 95 calories, that's insane, and only 6 grams of fat. That's really awesome. For all you people out there doing the low fat keto, getting your weight off really quick and doing it correctly when you have body fat like I teach you. You're going to use your body fat as your fuel system, and you're going to get your weight off quick. And nobody wants to sit around, right, and take forever to lose their weight. They want to get it off right away. And I love to bring these, mukbangs out to you guys, recipes for meals and treats. I just love it. So I can help you guys enjoy keto because there's so many different things that you can make. I mean, so many things that I've come up with just on my own. I'm going to write a cookbook. I'm definitely going to, and do also keto treats in there too as well. I'm just excited. I want to stress to you guys too that, it's important. In the very beginning when I started keto, I was watching all of these keto channels and they all said something different. And like I've taught you before, it's always important to stick with one person. It really is. Now, I hope that that one person is me. I really do, because I've helped so many people. Just read the comments down below and see what people are saying about me, how I've changed their life. I've gotten so many emails of how many people I've changed their life, and just people sending me things, thanking me for helping them because they got it off. But not only did they get it off, they got it off fast, quick, and now they're in maintenance mode and loving life. And that's what I love to hear. That's what happened to me. In 13 months, I lost 150 pounds, was in maintenance mode for a little over a year, and decided I wanted to lose a little bit more. I've been 4 years keto right now, and just living life large. I'm so excited about this. And I never lost who I was. Even though I lost weight, I never lost the person I was. I'm not different because I lost weight, other than I'm happier and healthier. And that's what I want. I want to stress that because I know what it's like to be overweight. I was overweight for many years and unhealthy and just living a miserable life. And I want to give all of you the excitement and joy I get every single day. And look I'm almost to my goal, and I still have all this energy because I still have a little bit of fat left on my body, and I still have all this energy that I don't need to eat high fat, and it's all coming off quick. And I'm just excited to be entering maintenance mode pretty soon here. Yeah, I love it. And that's why I stress that it is important to stick with one person. It makes sense because I wasn't succeeding in the beginning because I was following so many people. But when I did meet with the nutritionist that I do, and the doctor, and the other nutritionist that I work with, these are professionals I work with, and they taught me all the same way. They all taught me the same thing. Nobody said anything different between the three, so I knew what I was doing was correct, and these were professionals. And I'm not a professional myself, but I was taught by professionals, and I want to teach you guys professionally how to do keto correctly, and mine is for weight loss. If you are somebody in maintenance mode or you are trying to gain weight on keto, I can also teach you that too. But many of you are coming in here to lose weight, so I want to teach you, instead of taking years and years to get it off, and you will plateau. You will never get all your weight off if you eat too high of fat. You will definitely not gain weight, but you're gonna stay the same. You may lose a couple pounds, but you will continue for months and months and months to stay the same weight. If you want to get it off quick and fast and do it correctly, and like I said in one of my videos, it's like a gas tank. You got one full, plumb full, can't add any more in, and you got one empty. Well, this one here can run forever, and this one's going to go put, put, put and run out of gas. So this one needs the fat. This one's going to use the gas, the body fat, to keep going and get the weight off real quick. So that being said, I hope that I am teaching you guys a lot, and I would love to know that you guys are sticking with me. I do recommend that you also, look up things, research, but look up scientific fact things too, and study and learn yourself as well. But as far as a person who's training you, I would say stick with that one person, because they're not going to steer you wrong. You're going to get it told to you one way of how they do it. And also I recommend you stick with the person that shows proof. I came to you, I show you photos, I show you I have lost all of my weight with an exception of just now in the last month or so, month and a half, I've been trying to get off the last 12 pounds. I wanted to lose a little bit more, get into the 120s. So other than that, and even that's coming off fast, and I'm at the end of my weight loss, that's the hardest. So when you can meet somebody or find somebody that says one thing and continues to stick with that same story, can show you proof, that's the person you want to stick with if you want results. Who wants to stay at the same weight or not see any results? Sure, anybody's going to lose weight in the beginning. If you're very obese and you start keto, eating high-fat foods, you're going to lose weight because you changed. But you're going to hit a plateau. And I get many of you that come in and say, yes, for months and months and months now, I've been plateauing and can't lose anymore. Well, I'm the ticket right here. I'm going to teach you the correct way how to do it and get it off fast, and there will be no plateaus. And you can ask anybody that follows me that does it. They are not having any plateaus. Once they came to me and started doing it my way, there was no plateaus because they knew that they had to be one macro, then they had to go down in macros and continue to go down and continue to use that body fat, and it came off. And within just a year, maybe a little over a year. So, and it can be even faster if you're working out. If you are working out with this, you're going to lose it extremely fast. Now let's get on to this treat. Sorry, I didn't mean to do so much talking, but I just wanted to get that out there because I'm just so excited how many people, just even the beginning of this year, how many more have emailed me for help. And I love you all so much, and I'm going to help each and every one of you get that weight off. And if you need me, my email is in my box. Shoot me an email and we'll talk, and I will get you all set up, and I will get that weight off quick. Keto treat. Cream cheese Jello. It is, I will have a slideshow at the end, as always, and down on my box I'll have the recipe as well. It is 2 containers of Jello. Now, you do not want to make the box Jello because that has the wrong sugar in it. It's like maltodextrin or whatever. I don't remember how you say it. But that one has the sugar that is not keto approved. So you, because a lot of people are using like the powder and, you know, putting it in with the cream cheese and the Cool Whip. You don't want to do that because that's not keto approved. Any other way you're doing it, you can do it. But on keto, it's going to knock you out of ketosis. You want to buy the pre-made sugar-free Jellos, and I show a picture of it. And then I added in 2 tablespoons, which is a serving of reduced fat cream cheese, 1 package of stevia, and 1 serving of the whipped cream, and I did a half a serving on top. But the cream cheese and the whipped cream, I mixed through the 1 serving of Cool Whip, or I'm sorry, whipped cream out of the can. You can't use Cool Whip either. The Cool Whip is the wrong one. You want the one out of the can, okay? I used 1 serving of that and 1 serving of the third less fat cream cheese. I mixed it all in, and then I just put a little bit on top for, you know, just to look pretty. It's melting down on me right now, but I just put just a dollop on top of the whipped cream just to make it pretty. But, oh my gosh, and like I said, 95 calories, 6 grams of fat, and only 4 carbs. Insane, right? Oh my gosh, this is a treat you can have much more often. Let's taste, even though I already did, guys. But oh my gosh, this is so yummy. Look at this. Who doesn't love anything that's to do with cheesecake, right? Oh my gosh, cheesecake is so good. Oh my gosh. So creamy and delicious. Oh, I've always been a cheesecake lover. So I've come up with ideas to do cheesecake keto style. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. Now, I've done strawberry here. You can do any flavor of the Jellos that come sugar-free. Any flavor that's your favorite, it's going to work out. I did the red because red is the most popular for people. Mine is strawberry. So it's strawberry cheesecake Jello. Yum, yum, yum. Just got done with my 1 meal, and that was around 450 calories. So adding this in, I'm going to be about 550 calories. And I like to, that's why I decided to do this treat in the evening for you guys. I hope the lighting is okay in here. Wanted to do it right while I had my 1 meal a day window open because I ate my dinner and then I'm, you know, showing you this treat really, you know, really quick. But oh my gosh, delicious. Yum. Can't beat a sweet treat. Who doesn't love sweets? When you're doing ketosis, it's no grains, no sugar. So you got to find ways to make delicious desserts that are sweet, and there's many out there. Make sure that you look into those correctly, though, because I teach you that a lot of things that say 0 are not 0. So you have to be careful with that. You just have to test with urine strips and all of that. But I teach a lot on here, too, what is, you know, got carbs and when it says it isn't carbs. So But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this treat. Definitely try it out. This one is more of a low-fat one for you guys. And I'm going to keep coming at you guys every week with a new treat, whether it be lower fat or just a delicious treat that you can have once in a while. I will continue to show all of you my mukbangs and recipes. And I've got a great one coming on mukbang. I told you guys in one of my videos, I'm excited to share. Actually, you'll get this before that, but I was talking in one of the videos. I got this awesome mukbang I come up with again that I'm super excited to share it with you guys. It'll be either Saturday or Sunday you'll get that. So, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys are all getting your weight off fast and getting healthy and feeling all that energy like I do every single day. If you need me, email me. I love you guys very much. Everybody take care. God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my next video. And always remember, people, let me switch it over here. Always remember to keep it keto.